We want to solve the equation 3 sin x plus cos x equals 2 for values of x between 0 degrees and 360 degrees. We know that 3 sin x plus cos x can be written as root 10 times the sine of x plus 18.4 degrees. So this is equal to 2. Dividing both sides by root 10 gives us the sine of x plus 18.4 degrees is equal to 2 divided by root 10. The principal value then is going to be the inverse sine of 2 divided by root 10, which is 39.2 degrees, to 3 significant figures. If we look at this on the cast diagram, we have A, S, T and C. 39.2 degrees is here in the A quadrant, and since we have a sine which is positive, the other must be in the S quadrant. By symmetry, 39.2 degrees from the horizontal axis. So we now need to look for solutions in this range of values. Starting here, we go forward and we meet our first solution at 39.2 degrees. The next one is 39.2 before we reach 180, which is 140.8 degrees. Continuing, we meet no more solutions. So we now have that x plus 18.4 degrees is equal to 39.2 degrees, or 140.8 degrees. So to find x, we subtract 18.4 degrees from both values, giving us 20.8 degrees and 122.4 degrees.